Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can input multiple videos inside of a text on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word vid, and I'm also going to change it to a bolder font so you can see it later. Then I am going to right click, create compound clip, go to media, and I'm going to add in some videos behind the actually, I forgot to do something, which is add in a background underneath that. Make sure you do that first. Then create compound clip and then add in your videos. Like so. And then, also make sure you make it full screen. There you go. Sorry about that. And then you can add in your videos like so. Select your main text, go to blend mode, and then select darken. And then you're just going to put it like on top of these. So I'm just going to add in a few first, and then I'm going to just move it around. Like for instance, this one here. And then this one's like here. And then this one we can have over here and stuff, doesn't matter, but that is pretty much it really. It is super simple to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!